I welcome to all my students for this class. Now, this class, you need to calculate the mean deviation about mean of the following data. These are the data given to you. Now, this data is ungrouped data. So, this particular class, I give you how to calculate mean deviation about mean of group data. So, these are your values, and you need to calculate mean deviation about mean. So, first you need to calculate the mean value. Okay. So, let my value of x is what? 6, 8, 3, 14, 18, 10, 26 and 9. 26 and 9. Now first I am going to calculate what is my mean value. So how you calculate the mean of this value? So my mean formula is what? X bar is equal to summation of x divided by number of observation. This is how you calculate your mean value. So what is summation of x? Summation of x means addition of all these values. So if you add all these values, what you will get? So my summation x value is equal to addition of all these values. So 6 plus 8, 14 plus 3, 17, 17 and 14, 31, 17 and 14, 31, 31 and 18, 49, 59, 59 and 9, 59 and 9, 68, 68 and 26. So 68 and 26 is 94. So this value is summation of x is 94. So now I know what is the summation x. Summation x is 94. Now divide by n number of observations. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I divide this value by 8. So what you will get? So you use calculator and find out the value of x bar. So 94 divided by 8, you will get 11.75 is your mean value. So my mean value x bar is equal to 11.75. Now this is my mean value. Now, so your first step is to calculate mean, because I need mean deviation about mean. Now I am going to write down the formula which required. So what is the formula of mean deviation about mean? So mean deviation about mean formula is equal to summation of mod value of x minus my mean value divided by the number of observation. This is how you calculate the mean deviation about mean of ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. So this is the formula of ungrouped data. Right now, so for this is what? This is x. X is each variable value. Mean value you already calculate. Now I am making one table, x minus mean value, x minus mean value table, and you taking mod. What is mean here? So my mean value here is 11.75. So this is my mean value. So I subtract each x variable with 11.75. So if I subtract 6 minus of 11.75, so you will get 5.75 with mod value. So what is the definition? You not consider the sign. So here you consider the mod, means every positive value you are going to calculate here. So if I subtract 6 minus of 11.75, you will get minus of 5.75, which comes positive, so this value becomes 5.75. Now if you subtract 8 minus of 11.75, you will get negative of 3.75. So since this is mod value, so I not considering the sign 3.75. Now 11.75 minus 3, it comes 8.75. Now 11.75 minus 14, it comes 3.75. Now 18, it not 1, 2, 3, 14. 14 minus of 11.75, it comes 2.25. Now 18 minus of 11.75, it comes 6.25. 10 minus of 11.75, it comes 1.75. 26 minus of 11.75, so it comes 14.25. And 9 minus of 11.25 becomes 2.75. Now you need sum of this mod value. So I am taking the summation of all this value. So summation of mod of x minus x means you need to add all these values. Now I am going to add all these parameters. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 0, carry 4, 7, 7, 14, 18, 21, 25, 29, 36, 38 and 45, 5 carry 4 again, 4 and 5, 9, 12, 20, 22, 28, 29, 29, 33, 35, 5 carry 3, 3 and 1, 4. So you will get 14.50. 14.50 So this is 14.50, and now I am going to put this value over here. This is summation of x minus mean. So I am putting here 45.50 divided by, and n is number of observation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my n value is what? 8. So I am dividing this value by 8. What you will get? So 45.50 divided by 8. So you will get 5.6875. So this is mean deviation about mean value. So my mean deviation about mean is equal to 5.6875. So this is the answer of this question. Now I am going to add one more thing in this. Now the second part, suppose if question asks find out coefficient of mean deviation about mean. Coefficient of mean deviation about mean. Since this is my unproved data, so what is the formula of coefficient of mean deviation about mean? This is equal to mean deviation about mean divided by my mean value. So what is mean deviation about mean? Already calculated 5.6875. And what is my mean value? My mean value is 11.75. So what is coefficient of mean deviation about mean? So you need to divide this value 11.75, which is your mean. So your value becomes 0.4840. So here I am calculating this value, coefficient of mean deviation, which value is equal to 0.4840. So this is the question where you calculate coefficient, calculation of mean deviation about mean. Also you calculate the coefficient of mean deviation about mean for ungrouped data. So important thing is what? Once the data is given to you, first you calculate the mean value. That's it. Once you know the mean value, then with the formula, one should know the formula, because formula give you idea what is the next procedure. So next procedure is you need to calculate x minus mean value. So first for every variable I calculate this x minus mean value, and now you need to add all this value, because this value is summation of all this value. So I need to add all this value, will give summation. So my summation value is 45.50. So I put here 45.50 divided by n is number of observation, 8 observation is given to you, so your value become 5.6875. Additionally I am adding this coefficient of mean deviation about mean. If question asks, then you calculate mean deviation about mean divided by mean value. So this value becomes 0.4840. So this is how you calculate mean deviation about mean and coefficient of mean deviation about mean for ungrouped data. I hope you understood this. Thank you so much for watching this lovely video.